All right, we back. We're back. We back together. I'm showing you guys the upgraded Destiny's Path. As you can tell, it looks like snot, and I love it. And I think you will too. It's super thick, super gorge, and yeah, it's a just great stuff. All right, so you know, I I just decided I wanted some edges. I was like, I need some edges. I grew my hair out just so I could do hair things. So I was like, well, you know what? Let me lay and slay these joints real quick and show y'all the results. So as you can see, my hair is I don't have like I don't know cute edges or whatever. I don't know what that stuff is, whatever. But I don't have that. So I was like, let me test out the hold on my frontals, my frontal hair. So I tried to do like the little S thing. It didn't work. I don't know. Like I don't even know what I'm doing honestly. Like, the gel holds it down. I have 4C or B or whatever. I don't know. I got thick hair, and it's really coily, and it's thick. So I'm thinking like maybe if I took like a bandana or something, like a little silk satin bandana, and like pressed it down, maybe it would have been better. I don't even know. I don't know what processes. I've actually never watched an edge laying tutorial on the internet. So I'm just doing what I would see on like Instagram. I don't know. I didn't even grab the toothbrush because I forgot this time. But I was like, look, this is how it's going to happen. So yeah, I'm doing the thing. And I was shaking my head to see if they would come off, and it didn't work. So I guess that's good. I guess that means it's like super super thick. And I'm trying to get a thumbnail. So at this point, I'm like, all right, I need to get a good thumbnail. People keep telling me my thumbnails are trash, and I get it because since this baby, I haven't even recorded. Like I haven't done my videos where I'm supposed to because like this kid's stressed. So I'm like, all right, let me try and get like a good selfie joint in, but they all look like trash. I'm struggling with the aspect rate. I don't know, whatever. Just like this isn't working. So whatever thumbnail for this video you see is the one I settled on. It was the one I looked the cutest in, I guess. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. How do I judge this quality of a thumbnail off the cuteness of my face? I look the same, dusty, crusty, sometimes dry in the face, but never dry. But look, I don't know. But anyway, so I got the joints. I got my edge. What the hell was with that smile? I don't know. But I got the edgicles, my edgicles, my edges. I'm gonna start calling these things cliffs. I got my cliffs dangling, and oh, that's a good one, cliff dangling. So I got my cliffs right there, just a dangling, and yeah, I took the rat tail to try. I tried the little thing. It ain't working. I don't know what to do. It's whatever. So I got the joint. As you can see, I'm just done at this point. But the gel is giving it a nice little bit of a floof. So I got a little bit of a floof there, just hanging out. So I gelled up to see if I could like stylize it to get like the Gohan kind of peel over thing. I don't know. I shouldn't have brushed it. Like once I brushed it, it gave it life. And I don't know what's going on here. Oh, okay. All right. Little emo. Oh my god, I look so stupid. Little emo floof. So I look like the kids that go to Comic Con and try and look like Goku. I guess. I'm not sure, but I'm judging me, so feel free to judge me as well. And yeah, so that's about 4 minutes of your life that I think I just wasted. But yeah, sorry about that. Deuces.